Hi children, hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Today we are going to see an fascinating topic. Why I am telling fascinating topic means you'll be really this earth is consists of many matter around us, isn't it? We have this plants, things, everything around us are so beautiful. So what do you mean by matter? Something learning about a matter is really a fascinating thing for us. That's why I said today we are going to see an fascinating topic, matter. Matter is nothing but anything that occupies space and mass. Okay, matter is nothing but anything that occupies space and mass is called as matter. Today, in this chapter, we are going to see matter around us. What is a matter in chemistry? Matters are consists of three things. They are solid, liquid and gas. Matter nu sonnale chemistry la enna artham? Solids, liquids and gas. In our previous classes and all, in your previous grades, you have studied detail about what solids eppadi irukum, liquids eppadi irukum, chemically and gases eppadi irukum. We have seen it. Solids, how it is solid particles வந்து எப்படி packed ஆயிருக்கு? Yes, solid particles are tightly packed. Because of the tightly packed structure, it is getting the solid shape. ஒரு திடமான பொருள் கிடைக்குது. அதுக்காக தான் திடமான பொருளுக்குள்ள atoms எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is tightly packed. Okay, similarly liquids. Liquidsல உள்ள இருக்கிற particlesலாம் எப்படி pack ஆயிருக்குன்னா little bit loosely packed. Comparing to solids, liquids வந்து எப்படி உள்ள இருக்கிற atoms particlesலாம் loosely packed ஆயிருக்கிறதுனால what it occupies the shape of the container. Similarly gas also. Gas க்கு என்ன பார்த்தோம் நம்ம? Yes, gas க்கு என்ன பார்த்தோம்? It is very loosely packed. Particles inside the gases is very loosely packed and it also occupies the shape of the container. But the what? It differs. Liquids kum gases kum properties, it differs. Okay. And we have another matter, another fourth type of matter which is called as plasma. Okay. Fourth state of matter is called as plasma. So, we all saw what is a matter. Okay. Now, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about atoms, elements, compounds, molecules. What is this ma'am? இப்போதா மேட்டர்னு சொன்னீங்க அதுக்குள்ள atoms, chemical what elements, compounds அப்படின்னு you are just adding on அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா nothing. Element ஒரு மேட்டருக்குள்ள இருக்கிறது வந்து it consists of some atoms, some elements. ஒரு காம்பவுண்ட்குள்ள வந்து இருக்கிறது elements குள்ள இருக்கிறது fine and smallest and tiniest part which consists the characteristic of an element. ஒரு எலிமெண்ட்டோட கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்கு எதோட கடைசி பார்ட்டில் இருக்கோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் as an atom. ஆட்டம்னு தமிழ் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? அணுக்கள். ஓகே, பிஃபோர் தட் we can see matter. Matterன்னு என்ன பார்த்தோம்? What and all the things which occupies the mass and spaceனா matterன்னு பார்த்தோம். Heat, light and temperature, sound, இதெல்லாம் என்னது? This is also a matter. No. Why this and all matter கிடையாதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it doesn't occupy the space. Okay. A mass just flows and goes out. It doesn't occupy the space. So, heat, light and sound is not a matter. Yes. So, atoms. Atoms is the first topic we are going to discuss. See, for example, in a pencil, we are all are having a pencil, isn't it? In that you have a black color lead. Okay, graphite. Lead pencil வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா okay, overall fine. Lead pencil பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you are getting a அந்த small lead மாதிரி கிடைக்கும். After you have to put it and write it, isn't it? That lead particle is known as it consists of a graphite. அது வந்து அதோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் எது? அது வந்து கிராஃபைட் ஓடுது. அது வந்து it is a carbon property. Okay, carbon element இருக்குதுல. என்ன ஆகும்? If you break all those lead into small pieces, cut பண்ண என்ன ஆகும் at a final stage what you will get a minute particle you will get it which அதை விட நீங்கள் வந்து இன்னும் கட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா அதோட கார்பன் தன்மை போயிடும் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி கார்பனோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் கொண்ட particle is known as the atoms. See here, the smallest unit of an element exhibits the property of an elements. Okay, that is called as the atom. And you know something, an interesting thing in our nature, 74% வந்து hydrogen atom கூடியது தான் இருக்கு. Okay, our universe is fully filled with 74% of hydrogen atoms. These are the things which you are going to see. With this and all the things we saw in atoms. Next, we are atoms வந்து என்ன எப்படி பார்க்கலாம்? Can we see it through our naked eyes? No. Since atom is a very small and minute particle, we can't see through our naked eyes. நம்ம கண்ணால அப்படியே பார்க்க முடியாது. And through a microscope, there is a more specialized microscope, advanced microscope, which we can see the atoms. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the molecules. Molecules na enna? Atom combines with the another atom chemically. Okay. Chemically, an atom, a molecule made up of two or more atoms which combines chemically. Two or more atoms combine to form a molecule. ரெண்டு atom combine ஆகி molecular form ஆகுது. For example, here I have given O oxygen. It can be same element also. Okay, oxygen O2. Yes, then here I have given ozone. Ozone, oxygen எங்க use ஆகுது? Where we are using oxygen? Oxygen is what? A metal or a non-metal, or which state it is? Yes, oxygen is the gas. Oxygen is what? Gas. Okay, we breathe with the help of by inhaling oxygen. Yes, ozone. Ozone is also a molecule. In this ozone molecule, we have 3 oxygen. Ozone எங்கேயோ கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கோம். எங்க கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கோம்? What? In this corona period? Yes, in this corona period, ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம் நடந்திருக்குன்னா என்ன? Our nature is healing. Yes, we have got the news that what? Ozone layer depletion வந்து கம்மி ஆயிட்டு வருது. Ozone layer தானாவே close ஆயிடுச்சு. Why? Because no emission of carbon gases. Okay, carbon gases வந்து நிறைய emit ஆகாததுனால அதுவே nature self healing. Okay, so ozone layer we saw. What it does, ozone layer oda property என்னது? Yes, very good. Ozone layer oda property என்ன? What it does? It protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Yes, very good. In this ozone is also a gas which consists of 3 linkage of oxygen atoms. Okay, this is the structure of ozone. And water. Water is an essential thing which we all know. Yes. Then how it is chemically formed in pathina? Two atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen combine to form 2 atoms of water. Okay, 2 molecules of water, sorry. Okay, hydrogen atom plus oxygen atoms combine to form water molecule H2O. This is what called as molecules. First என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Atoms பார்த்தோம். Atoms is nothing but a tiny smallest particle, okay, which exhibits the nature of an element, that is called as atom. And we saw molecules. Molecules is nothing but atoms combine, 2 or more atoms combine chemically to form a molecule. Yes, and let's see how we can classify molecules. Molecules la we have a classification of molecules pathina. It can be monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic. From the word itself you know mono means what? 1. Atomic nanadu one atom kuriya thing. Okay, one atom uriyadu. For example, inert gases. Inert gases is nothing but in your periodic table elements will be there. Last periodic table, I mean in the last column you will be having this inert gases. Inert gases refers to here as helium, neon, argon. Helium. Helium apati you should know it. From the term helium gases means what? Helium எங்கேயோ கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கோம். Yes, helium balloons. Helium balloons we know about it. Okay, நல்லா உயரத்துக்கு பறக்கணும்னா we use helium gas balloons to fly high in the air. Why it is used helium gases? It weight less. Okay, so diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecules means what? Di na enadu 2. Atomic means that is atom. It has 2 atoms combined to form a molecule. See, for example, here we have oxygen, O2. It always remains in this state itself. O2, then nitric oxide, we have here N2O. Then we have hydrogen. Hydrogen also it will be always in diatomic. Okay. Then triatomic molecules. Triatomic molecules, as we discussed here, ozone. Okay. Then what else we have? Very good. Water. Cool. Just now I saw triatomic molecules. Water, H2O. Then, sorry, H2O will come in diatomic molecules. Triatomic, why I am telling diatomic molecules is water, H2O. Only 2 atoms, hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Okay, so diatomic molecule, one more example is hydrogen. Triatomic molecules, we have ozone as we discussed here. Then we have sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, SO2, CO2. Yes. Then polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules, it consists of more atoms. Okay, here I have given phosphate, sulfur, it has 5 atoms. 5 atoms of sulfate, phosphate we have, sorry. 5 atoms of phosphate we have. Next, we are going to see molecules of elements. Okay, even molecules of elements means what? Or molecule elements. Okay, எவ்வளோ elements வந்து atoms வந்து பார்த்தோம். இப்போ வந்து molecules வந்து elements ஓட சேர்ந்து இருக்கிறதுன்னு பார்க்குறோம். Fixed number of one type of atom chemically combined in this molecules of atoms. Sorry, molecules of elementsல என்னன்னா fixed number of one type of atom chemically combined. இவ்வளவு amount of atom தான் இன்னொரு atom same atom குறியது combine ஆயிருக்கு. See here what we have here, chlorine. This one is chlorine. One atom of chlorine, one element of chlorine is combined with another element of chlorine, Cl2. ஒரு proper ratioல, ஒரு fixed ratioல combine ஆச்சுன்னா that is called as molecules of elements. Similarly, here you have oxygen double bond. Okay, this is oxygen, O2, O and O, O2. And here you have, this is nitrogen. Okay, N, triple bond, N. Then molecules of compounds. Molecules of compounds னது molecules combined எப்படி compounds ஆகுது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ratio remains fixed. For example, molecules of compounds க்கு here comes H2O. H2O னா என்னது? Ratio remains fixed. Water ஓட property heat பண்ணாலும் சரி, then the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen, the ratio of hydrogen or oxygen remains the same. நீங்க heat பண்ணாலும் சரி, அது வந்து ice பண்ணி freeze பண்ணாலும் சரி, இவ்வளோ amount of hydrogen will be there. That is 2:1 ratioல தான் இருக்கும். 2 amounts of hydrogen and 1 amount of oxygen levelல தான் இருக்கும், whatever you do. Okay, that is the example for molecules of compounds. Next, CO2. CO2 is nothing but carbon dioxide. Same, 2:1 தான். 1 amount of carbon and 2 amount of oxygen. Then ammonia, NH3. and H3 you are getting. These are the molecules of compounds. Yes, first in this class we discussed about the matter. Matters you have 4 kinds: solid, liquid, gas and plasma, and we saw what the atoms is about. Atoms is the smallest unit. Particles we saw, and we saw about molecules. 2 atoms combine to form a molecule we saw, and we saw the classification of molecules: monatomica, diatomica, triatomic and polyatomic patho. Next we saw molecules of elements, then we saw the molecules of compounds. Yes, hope you have understood this topic. Next future topics will be discussed. Thank you.